Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days and 5 minutes on this hot Saturday afternoon. Just looking at midday temperatures that have already hit 90 degrees, and we probably won't see the peaks until around 4 o'clock. And we've been rising at about 2 to 3 degrees an hour for the past couple of hours. I think we're going to make the highs, which will be low to mid 90s. I'm sure there's low hanging fruit out there with regards to records being set. Along the immediate coast, it's in the 60s. West Hampton Beach, for example, is 68, and North Beach Haven in New Jersey is 71. We've got Nantucket at 61. In case you want relief, there are places that you can go. The dew points are pretty high, though. They are in the upper 60s to around 70. So that has got to be oppressive. And by the way, you're not alone. Even if you head up into the Hudson Valley on up into Massachusetts, New Hampshire, and Vermont, temperatures are approaching the 80-degree mark there, and the dew points are running close to 70. Now, oddly enough, with that juiced up air, you think there would be showers and thunderstorms late today. I threw in the chance that there could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm that might develop, but the atmosphere is just too stable right now with this big ridge of high pressure that is sitting aloft. And here's the satellite picture right now at 12:45 Eastern Time. Clouds in southeastern New England holding temperatures down there. Those are rapidly moving out to the east. We've got sunny skies from North Carolina up into Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, and Connecticut, as well as New York, New Jersey, and Maryland and Delaware. I think I got them all. Okay, I forgot to mention Virginia. The next cold front is already lining up with some showers and some thunderstorms out to the west. You see on the latest radar view, there's a concentration of showers and storms. That looks like a pretty impressive area of storms moving across north of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Might even be a derecho or the beginning of one. We'll see. In the meantime, here we have some showers and thunderstorms forming up in a line down in Illinois and into Missouri. The Storm Prediction Center for today is looking at risk areas, a fairly long area of slight risk from western Maine into Vermont, New Hampshire, northern Vermont, New Hampshire, upstate New York, mostly north of I-90, northwest PA, and then going south and west of there into northeastern Texas. Marginal risk covers the Gulf states and on up into the Carolinas. And you'll notice where the arrow is drawn by SPC, no thunderstorms are forecast for the area, the coastal areas from southeastern New England down through the Delmarva Peninsula. Now tomorrow with this cold front, I've been thinking all along that we won't see any showers and thunderstorms till at the earliest in the evening, and I think most of those are going to be inland. So you're seeing the marginal risk setting up west of New York City and northwest New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, down into northeast Virginia, the slight risk in upstate New York, and that comes with a small area of 2% tornado risk. Looking at the week ahead, as far as rain is concerned, big rains in the lower Mississippi Valley down into the western Gulf states. Some 3-inch plus amounts forecast here for this coming week. We're kind of on the edge of the half-inch from north and west of Boston to about New York City, and then running down the coastal areas from that line I just described east. It's generally less than half an inch, and in some places less than a quarter. You start to go inland, it's 3/4 of an inch to an inch and a quarter. Some 1.5-inch plus amounts in upstate New York, and then of course you've got this big area in the middle Mississippi Valley, south down into the Gulf states. So the pattern going forward, as we have been noting, the weather systems are moving along at a regular rate, and that is a good thing because this way we don't get stuck in any kind of blockiness. If anything, maybe we'll get stuck in a ridge position, in which case the weather will be rather nice. So we'll take a look at the GFS, the latest GFS radar. As you see for today, there's not a whole heck of a lot in the northeast, mostly along the lakes and in northern New England. You see the showers and storms from Ohio south into Louisiana. Now here's tomorrow. Not really the most impressive line of storms, but again, the risk is there that there could be a severe thunderstorm or two, mainly as you go north up in upstate New York and into New England. The southern end of that producing some showers from Tennessee and North Carolina, southwest to Louisiana. will, I think, dry out on Monday. There's a little disturbance that's going to be lifting northeastward Monday afternoon. You can see those showers in Virginia and West Virginia. They get close, kind of clip a few places Monday evening into Monday night with that high to the north. Tuesday looks dry. Wednesday looks dry. Then we're going to transition over into a warmer, more humid air mass, setting up for a cold front and some showers and thunderstorms along about Friday when that front goes by. And then after that, I think for the Memorial Day holiday weekend, it's looking pretty good. It's hard to string 3 days in a row without any rain in the late spring. And you see a couple of showers pop up there Sunday afternoon. Who knows if that's real? But on the whole, there's no weather front approaching, and we're going to be in a southwest flow. So I think we're going to have a mostly nice and mostly warm Memorial Day holiday weekend. The next cold front arrives probably late in the day on Memorial Day or in the evening with maybe a shower or thunderstorm with that. So if you want to take a bet right now, it looks like the vast majority of the Memorial Day holiday weekend is going to be rain-free. The Joe and Joe Weather Show is tomorrow, Sunday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, so do please join us. Bring your questions, your comments. Join us on the chat board. We have a lot of fun on these shows. That's at 11 a.m. Eastern Time.